It was World Diabetes Day earlier this week. The Matawa Health Co-Operative hosted their first ever awareness walk at Inner City Shopping Center to draw attention to the epidemic of diabetes, particularly in remote Indigenous communities. Around 100 people gathered in the mall's food court where they listened to community members who have dealt with diabetes before taking part in a walk around the mall. They also had the chance to learn from Matawa health educators who provided lifestyle advice for managing the disease and spoke about why it's such an issue for Indigenous populations.
Predeterminants of health impact all people, but especially Indigenous people living in remote areas, living in cities who are not able to access services, but it's also the introduction of foods that we weren't accustomed to eating before.
There's a serious problem with limited of shortage goods and fresh fruit, and so the education piece is very important, but we also need to make food accessible to people. So I think in terms of what Matawa is doing, we're trying to promote, healthy eating. We're trying to do lots of fresh growing gardens and stuff like that in the community members and trying to help as best as we can.
Matawa organizers hope the awareness walk will become an annual event for World Diabetes Day.